Yo, what is up, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. It's your boy King Reckless. We are about to get lit today. We are about to go to a big car meet. It's at the Oasis. It started at 6:30, but you know we always run a little late. We're washing our car. I don't know. You can see him where he's at. He hasn't even came out yet. He's taking too long. I'm about to go pick up my buddy right now. He drives a truck. You better hop in the passenger with me. He might be vlogging today, so y'all stay tuned for that. I'm about to be at his house. Then we're gonna head up to the Oasis. So I'll see you when I get there.
Boy.
Hey, y'all say what's up to that man. Y'all go subscribe to his channel too.
Alright. My YouTube channel is gonna be Devin Walsh, but my Instagram is gonna be dwalsh_6.0. You know what I'm saying?
You already know what to do. This charger clean.
You got a young boy right there.
We got my brother right there. Y'all go follow his Instagram, Rudy's50. That charger is sexy. Look at it. Bet. Oh, what's I at?
We're at.
It wasn't even on E and it's already at $40. Alright. Alright, y'all ain't even gonna believe this. Brother just called me right now and said his Louvers fell off. He's about to pull up right now to the gas station. We're about to see how they look. I'm talking about his rear Louvers. That Mustang's loud. Oh, there go Ivan over there. I didn't even see you.
Just take some off speed. You know what I'm saying? Hey, 6 foot don't got nothing on my signal.
well.
Hey, you want to run it?
No, wait, wait, no, ain't about that. If I go full bow time, game over. Game over.
No. Boy, if you don't.
Oh! Whoa!
No. Hey, we're gonna put money on this. Look at the top of his head. Hey, we'll put money on this.
Leave your shit. Now let me just do what you did.
Okay, come on. Alright, I'm witness. I'm the witness right now.
He thinks his car right now, it's full Botons?
Yeah.
With a tune. My shit is stock as fuck. Full Botons with a tune. I'm destroying that.
What?
Damn, but I can't believe his Louvers really just, oh God, it looks better. Let's go see what he said. His Louvers really fell off. We was on the toll road. We was all running. The shit came off. This is like my 4th fucking pair. Wait.
Leave it off or put a new one. Comment below.
That shit looks clean as fuck without him. Oh God.
Leave a comment below.
I've been telling you, Nick, they looks better without him.
We was all running. I was running that fucking scat pack right there. I was running my cousin's scat pack. That blue one. Look what decided to happen on the fucking toll road.
Damn.
This is like my 4th fucking pair, guys.
That has been his 4th pair though. He's tweaking.
Oh damn, that shit looks better like that. Right there, you see that E85? Get it like on the 85, then maybe, you know, we can.
I'm gonna get it on 85.
Hey, I'm gonna send you the clip and roll that clip whenever I took over.
Woo! Look at that rear diffuser you put on. That hoe's clean.
So?
Did you see what happened to his fucking Louvers?
I didn't see him fall off.
Hey, but tell me it don't look better like that. Or be real, or do you fuck with the other ones? Be real. I mean, I told him no. Yeah, either way it looks sexy though.
I didn't see him fall though. I was behind you.
I didn't see him fall either.
I was looking through the snaps. I was like, let me see. Nah, he still had him on.
That's a big ass piece to just fall off.
No,
like that's a big ass piece. That shit's super clean. I ain't never sat in a charger. Bro, I gotta do this.
Yeah. Wait, let me sit in the charger.
I ain't never sit in a charger. Damn.
Hey,
he got the Bumblebee seats too. I really wanted those. I might get my seats red though.
Let me sit in this bitch. Look at track hawk. Step on that bitch.
Hey, I'm
I'm not gonna even cap. Them Chargers and Challengers sound good as fuck, bro.
Hell yeah, they do.
Cause they instant, bro.
Wait, hold on. Press my phone.
Oh, he got Dr. J Beats. I forgot the Chargers had that.
Alright, tell me when you want me to rev it.
Alright, go ahead.
Ah, he made the car alarm go off.
Car, the 67 Ford Mustang.
Oh.
Hey, right there.
Right here is new.
No, it's Dodge. It's Dodge game. 67
You see this Mustang right here, that Mustang right there?
Young,
Dodge right here.
What are you guys driving these?
We're young,
fast
successful, you know, grinding. We just grinding, that's it.
All right, we going to the Oasis meet. We'll get to y'all. I'll get to y'all. Damn. Chill out. It looks better without the louvers. It do. I'm gonna do a quick pull for y'all real quick. Last one. Now we gotta wait right here. There you go. Is that him?
Yeah, that's him.
Came fast. They all up on that garage. Look at that skate pack. Y'all let me know in the comments below if I should put rear louvers on mine. I think that shit looks so clean. Look what happened already.
What he doing right now?
He was waiting for someone. And it's not even a sports car.
It's not right. It's probably just someone just that badge, bro.
Oh yeah, hey.
I've been wondering if
You
that badge.
know. Here we go again.
Let us know. Dude,
I don't know what's going on.
Plastic on though, right?
Damn.
Nah, I barely put that, bro.
What's going on? Damn. That hoe clean. That hoe is clean. I can barely see over here. Oh, he ain't playing. Oh, look at that GTR. Oh no. There goes my boy Stain. That was clean. Look at that.
Oh, the trust them?
That's what I'm saying. Damn. Hey, they be lit. It's clean. Yeah, yeah. Why he got the light pointed on it? Why he had that light pointed on him?
Hey, you stupid, bro.
Oh!
Just watching it too.
Got a dip. This was an import meet. I barely saw American Muscle. I'm about to end this vlog right now. It was a nice little day. We might do some racing in a minute. I'm not sure. But y'all make sure to hit that subscribe button. Like, comment, all that good shit. And we out.
remember I wanted for the quit so many times, but I knew this moment would come. Now it's my time. I gotta make up for all them nights that my mama cried. I'm going in, I'm putting everything on the line.